Hello, welcome to Learning Bytes English language class. In this video, we will practice short English questions. Now, let's start the lesson. Meeting someone new.
Hi. What's your name?
Hello. My name is Sarah. What's yours?
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old. And you? Talking about hobbies.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and playing soccer. What about you?
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I love watching movies. My favorite is action movies.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. How about you? Daily routine.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. every day.
Do you have breakfast every morning?
Yes, I always have breakfast. I usually eat toast and eggs.
What do you do after work?
After work, I usually go to the gym or watch TV at home. Shopping.
Can I help you find something?
Yes, I'm looking for a red t-shirt.
How much does this cost?
It costs $20.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do. At a restaurant.
May I take your order?
Yes, I'll have a cheeseburger and fries, please.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please.
How was your meal?
It was delicious, thank you.
Thank you for watching. The more you practice, the more natural your English will become. Try watching this lesson a few times each week and repeat the conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll become more confident in speaking English. If you found this lesson helpful, please like and subscribe.